Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube error 400 on your device in a quick, simple, and easy to follow way. This error usually happens due to incorrect system settings or app issues. But do not worry, we will go through step-by-step solutions to fix it. But before that, here's what we'll cover through step-by-step. At number 1, check date and time settings. 2. Check internet connection. 3. Force stop YouTube app. 4. Clear cache and data. 5. Restart device. Let us get started. Step number 1. Check date and time settings. First, open your device settings. Scroll down and look for General Management or System, depending on your phone. Tap on Date and Time. Then make sure automatic date and time is turned on. Incorrect time settings can often cause server-related errors like error 400. Step number 2. Check your internet connection. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent YouTube from loading properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router if needed. Step number 3. Force stop YouTube app. Now go back to Settings and tap on Apps. Scroll down and select YouTube from the list. Once inside, tap Force Stop at the right corner. Confirm when prompted. This helps refresh the app and stop any background glitches. Step number 4. Clear cache and data. Still inside the YouTube app settings, tap on Storage. First, select Clear cache to remove temporary files. If the issue continues, you can also tap Clear Data to reset the app completely. Do not worry, this will not uninstall YouTube, but it may log you out of your account. Step number 5. Restart your device. After clearing the data, close all apps and restart your phone or tablet. This helps apply all changes and refresh your system completely. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, clearing data may sign you out of YouTube and remove temporary app settings. Make sure you remember your login details before proceeding. And that's it. You have successfully fixed YouTube error 400 on your device. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials in our channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.